Huh?
I said I didn't know that one was gonna do that. I didn't even hear, but I get mad.
I know. She was like getting close.
What? Which one do you want to do?
Alright, let's see.
I didn't know that one did that.
You
one. I was
wanna?
like,
Oh, you wanna do this one? Rose blue.
yeah.
Alright.
Which one's
Give
this?
it to
Oh,
my
you have
dad.
to open it?
Yeah, give it to my dad so he can open it.
Nina, there was so many fireworks. I was on the phone.
We were in the plane?
Because we passed by East Bay.
You said
What?
You said
Oh, there
there
was
was an
an
accident.
accident, yeah.
What accident? What happened?
I think a firework blew into a car.
No way.
Yeah. Please stop. What's that move? Because I don't want to. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me do it.
All the way in the like, is that the same one?
No, it's a different one.
Nina, don't get too close.
Okay, let's just throw it.
Oh, it just starts off thinking it's all harmful, but then it turns into that big old thing. No, no, I don't think that's it.
Nina, Jose, come over here.
Watch when you go. Watch. That was lame.
Here, John. Which one?
You want to do this one?
Yeah. Which one is that? What's your dad? I feel like a pro firefighter.
Alina. Oh, look at the moon.
I told you it was big.
Hold up, there's a car.
Oh, bloody.
Okay. Go, light it.
Throw my light up.
I know, huh? I said that.
I know, I saw your nose.
Over there. I told my dad that.
It smells like popcorn.
Oh, I told my dad that over there it sounded like they were shooting an AR.
Dude, I saw your nose. Your nose was so funny. I started laughing.
Yeah. This one's a really good one. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink.
Oh,
we got
or red.
or red
Or blue.
or blue.
Wait, you don't take off the plastic, right?
No, you just light the fuse.
Oh, that one's pretty.
But look at this one. Yeah, just come. Get.
JD, turn up. I have different colors. That one was cute.
Smoke on.
Your poor dad.
Be careful, Chibia.
Jose's gonna get you.
Okay. Which one else?
Which one are you gonna do? Oh, you guys have the little palitos.
You want to do those?
Mm.
Alright, let's do fireworks.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got.
You want the sparkler? Yeah, sparkler.
I know, I saw them. You guys have cute fireworks.
Let me see. That one?
That one?
Yeah, the one that's.
I want to do this one.
That's also the grand finale.
Well, I'm gonna record that one. The grand finale.
That's at the end.
Yeah. When you put, you know the fireworks that David was talking about?
Yeah.
Bro, I didn't buy them for him. He told me to lie, and it was so funny. I was gonna tell you, but then I forgot.
But we'll do that one next.
I'll fucking fast.
You could just rip it, yeah.
Okay, buddy.
No, there's more.
Boy, all set, bruh. You guys almost squished you. That's what I said. Ready?
I don't know. You saw how it popped out?
Is that the little red devil?
That's Little Red Devil. That's the buy one get one.
The other one wasn't like that, was it?
I know.
Which one do we do?
Let's see. You wanna do one of these?
Yeah.
All right. Pick whichever one. Or that
Your
one.
dad picks.
Sorry.
Let's pick.
Oh yeah. Okay. This one and then that one, and then we'll figure it out from
You
there.
want to do that one next?
Yeah. Okay. Save that one for next.
Is there another car?
Yeah. There's one more. Hold up.
I like how that one went also.
All right.
Now that definitely smells like salt.
Girl.
Rate that one 1 out of 10.
10.
We're gonna start again.
All right, go. But let Alina light it.
I like how he sings for coffee.
Damn.
And me now?
Damn. They told him roll down his windows, including his back window.
Somebody got stopped. Freeze.
That Gene said, stop recording. Alright, someone got pulled over, bro.
Go like this. Go like that. Like on your feet like that.
Oh, hold up. My
Oh, I
dad's
thought you were gonna give it to me to eat it. I was like,
Wait, what? I thought it was already open, but no.
Got this. I'm a pro in everything.
Bruh. Oh.
I'll wait.
Alright, go. Got it? Oh, you need help?
No, I got it.
Oh. I could just imagine how scary it is to be pulled over by a cop on the 4th of July.
Yep. I'm gonna say that's